In the midst of the raging debate about Jamaica opting not to host games in next year's T20 World Cup, as fate would have it, the nation's cricket mecca, Sabina Park, was transformed into a party venue over the weekend. And when the transformation was done, Bina exploded into a big all-night soca party, welcoming thousands and thousands of revelers, jumping and prancing on what used to be the sacred space called Sabina Park. Other events such as football have dominated the Sabina space in recent years, but this soca event has basically hijacked the ongoing debate to drive home the point that the tears for cricket in Jamaica are drying up to the extent we are spending $400 million to host a few World Cup games looks excessive. The kind of passion we're seeing in this soca party, literally on the Sabina Park pitch, is telling a story to all interested in looking and listening as to why the World T20 will be played right here in the Caribbean next year, and Jamaica will have none of it. You see that? See Sabina Park there? See it there? Look, see that?